Good morning, dear students. Today we are going to study the 8th chapter of our English grammar book, Continuous Tense. So, what is continuous tense? Continuous tense is basically comes under our three types of tenses: present, past, as well as future. We can have present continuous tense, we will have past continuous tense, and we will have future continuous tense. Look at the following example. Neha is buying vegetables. Neha was buying vegetables when I met her. Neha will be buying vegetables in the evening. The verb in each sentence conveys a different time and action. So, what is the verb over here? Buying, buying, buying. So everywhere it is showing a different meaning and different time of action, a different time also we are being shown. So what is tense? Tense means time, we know all that, everyone knows that the tense means time. There are three types of tenses: present tense, past tense, future tense. So what is present tense? When we talk something about present, like today is which day? Suppose today is Thursday. Okay, so this is our present tense. Tomorrow will be which day? Tomorrow will be Friday. So that is our future tense. Yesterday was which day? Yesterday was Wednesday. So that is our past tense. Okay. So in all these three types of tenses, there is present continuous, present past continuous, and future continuous. In the first sentence, the verb conveys an action that is happening in the present. Okay, in this first sentence, it is saying about something which is happening in the present. Okay. In the second sentence, it conveys an action that continued for some time in the past. In the second sentence, it is talking about past. How we are able to understand it? By is used for present, and was is used for past. Okay. It also shows that action took place simultaneously. In the third sentence, it conveys the action is yet to happen and that it will continue for a period of time. Okay. Now, in the third sentence, that it is showing that the action will take place in the future. So that is our future continuous tense. The first sentence is the present continuous tense, the second sentence is the past continuous tense, and the third sentence is the future continuous tense. The ing form of the verb is used in all continuous tense. So with whatever would be our verb, with that, to make it into an continuous tense, we need to add ing. Okay. Now, present continuous tense, verb from form and sentence structure. Look at the given example. Rita is writing a letter to her mother. You are writing a letter to your mother. I am writing a letter to my mother. Okay. So these are all examples of present continuous tense. Okay. So suppose these three are examples of present continuous tense. Suppose I am writing an essay. So what is the first person? First person is singular, I. Okay. Am plus ing form of the verb plus subject. So basically we can say that there is one basic formula. Suppose subject plus is, am, are plus verb फर्स्ट फॉर्म प्लस ing, उसके बाद जो हमारा ऑब्जेक्ट है. ठीक है. सो दिस इज द बेसिक फॉर्मूला ऑफ प्रेजेंट कंटिन्यूस टेंस. सब्जेक्ट प्लस इज एम आर में कोई आएगा. इफ इट इज सिंगुलर इट इज. इफ इट इज फर्स्ट पर्सन वी विल यूज एम, एंड इफ इट इज प्लूरल वी विल यूज आर. नाउ वॉट एवर इज आवर वर्ब, that verb along with that verb we will use ing plus whatever comes after our verb. Suppose I am writing an essay. In this sentence your subject is our I. Am is mr में से क्या यूज़ करेंगे? am यूज़ करेंगे because I is our singular first person. Write is a verb. To make it into a continuous tense we are using writing an essay. So this is our present continuous tense. We are writing essays. Again, first person singular, first person is our plural. What is plural? We. Okay, we means हम लोग मतलब plural हुआ ये. ठीक है. R, why will we use R over here? R because R is being used for plural. Okay, so we are writing essays. Right, what is the ing form of writing? So it became continuous tense plus essays. That essays is our object. So this is our Again, example of present continuous tense. Now, this is the examples of present continuous in positive sentence. Now, we'll study the examples of present continuous tense in negative sentence. For example, we need not do anything. What formula I have said you just now? Subject plus is, am or are, plus verb first form plus ing. This is the formula I have just said you all. So in when you want to make a negative present continuous tense sentence, after is mr you need to add the negative word. It could be not, no, it could be not, or don't, something like that. Okay, no, anything like that. So when we are making negative sentence in present continuous tense, after is mr we will add the negative word. For example, I am not writing an essay. Here I is our subject. From is mr we have used am, and not is our negative word. Writing is the continuous form of write and essay. So this is our negative sentence. We are not writing essay. Again same thing. We is our subject. Are, from is mr we will use are because it is we means plural. Again we will use the negative word which is not. Writing is the continuous form of write and essays. Okay. Now yes or no questions. Am I writing an essay? Okay. So whenever we want to ask a yes or no question in present continuous tense, what will be the formula? So basically here we don't have a subject. Directly it is, am, are plus whatever pronoun we have, or the subject, not pronoun, sorry, or the subject plus verb first form plus ing. This is the form of asking a present continuous question in present am, yes or no present continuous question. So am I writing as an essay? From is mr we have used I am, but then we'll have placed our subject. I is our subject. Writing is the continuous form of write and essay. So this is our yes or no question from in present continuous tense. Again, are you writing an essay? Again from is mr we have used are. You is our subject. Writing is our continuous form. Writing is the continuous form of write plus essays. Okay. Now with question words: who, what, when, where, whose, how, whom. Now, what is the formula with question words? So, first what we will write? First whatever will come, what will come for making questions in present continuous tense? So, first the question word will come, plus is, am, are, plus subject, plus verb first form plus ing. Okay. So, what is the question word? What are question words? This who, what, where, whose, how and whom are our question words. So, first for writing a question in present continuous tense, we will use our question. First we will write the question word. Suppose why. Then from is mr we will choose what we want as per the sentence. Suppose we are talking someone about something, about some people who are more than 2 number. It means they are in plural number. Then we have used are. Then what is the subject over here? They. Okay. They is our subject. Writing is the present continuous form of, continuous form of write. So write. That's why we have used writing. So why are they writing an essay? So here the use of present continuous tense, some uses of present continuous tense have been given. That is very easy to understand as I have explained you all above. It is the same as given above explanation. Okay. Now we will next study about our past continuous tense. So what is our past continuous tense? So just like this present continuous tense, in past continuous tense also we have a formula like subject plus was or were plus verb first form plus ing. So we know was is being used for past tense and were is also being used for past tense. Was is used for singular thing and were is used for plural thing. Okay, this is the very common thing we all know. So now we'll see how to write sentence in past continuous tense. Suppose you were writing an essay. In this sentence, you is our subject, which is the pronoun. Okay. Second person, this is the second person of our pronoun. Were, from you were. तुम ऐसे लिख रहे थे, ठीक है. You was writing an essay. With second person we use were only. Okay, with the second person of noun we use were only. So you were. So here from was and were, what we have used? Were. Writing is again the continuous form of write. So and you were writing, then essays. Essays is our subject. So this is the past continuous example of verb. Okay. Now they were writing an essay. Again they is our subject. Were, they means बहुत सारे, दो से ज़्यादा होंगे, एक से ज़्यादा होंगे, तो that's why were. Writing is again our continuous form of write, so writing, then essays. So these are the example of past continuous tense in positive sentence. Now examples of past continuous tense in negative sentence will be, like we have studied the example like formula of subject plus was or were plus verb first form plus ing. So you, in while writing a negative sentence using the past continuous tense formula, you need not do anything. Just after the was and were, you need to add a not. Okay, what do you need to add? Just like in the present continuous tense formula, we have added a not after is mr. Here after was and were, we will add a not to it. So it will become a negative sentence of past continuous tense. For example, I was not writing an essay. I was our subject. Was is our, from was or were we can use were, which is also our helping verb. To make it a negative sentence, it will be not, and the writing is the continuous form of write. An essay is our object. Okay, so this is an example of negative sentence in past continuous tense. Again, yes or no question, same as the present continuous tense. For a formula will be was or were plus subject plus verb first form plus ing. So like for making a yes and no question in the present continuous tense, here we added only, it replaced in this place we had is mr, and for making a question in past continuous tense, you need to replace this is mr with was or were. So it is very easy to make a question in past continuous tense by just replacing the is mr. So suppose there is an example, were you writing essays? So from was and were we have used were. Then what is our subject? It is you, which is the second person of the noun. Writing is again our the present continuous form of write. Then object essay. So this is how we write an yes or no question with the help of past continuous tense, in a past continuous tense. Now with question words, how do we write past continuous tense sentence? So again the same formula. First we will need to write the question words. Okay, words plus was or were plus subject plus verb first form plus ing. This is the formula of writing past continuous sentence with question words. So what are the question words? Who, what, when, where, whose, how, where, whom. These are the question words. So we need to, whenever we want to write a sentence with the question, past continuous sentence with question words, first we will place the question word. For example, why. Why is a question word. From was and were we can use was. Okay. So was is our from helping verb. Write, he is our subject. Writing, again writing is the continuous form of write. So why was he writing essays? So in this way we can make the present past continuous sentence with question words. Now next is our future continuous tense. Again here some uses of past continuous tense has been given. It is same as the explanation I have given you all above. Further we'll study about our future continuous tense. So how do we use future continuous tense? The formula of future continuous tense is subject plus will or shall plus be plus verb first form plus ing. This is the formula of future continuous tense. Okay, future continuous tense. So this is the, as per this formula we can set up any sentence in future continuous tense. For example, let us look at this example. He will be writing essays. So he is our subject. Will, from will or shall we have used will. Be, okay, writing is the continuous form of write. So writing, then essays. So he will be writing at essays is a future continuous sentence in positive form. Okay, in positive sentence in future continuous tense. Now how we'll write a negative sentence in future continuous tense? Again, very basic formula. Subject plus will or shall plus not plus be plus verb first form plus ing. Okay, so if you want to write a negative sentence in future continuous tense, we need to follow this formula. Subject, suppose you is our subject. From will or shall, what we have used? Will. Okay, so we have used will. Not, okay, then be, we will you will not be. Writing is the continuous tense of write. Write plus ing is equals to writing. Essays. So this is in this way we can write a negative sentence in past continuous tense. Now let us look one more example, like they will not be writing essays. Again, they is our subject. From will or shall we have used will. Again the negative word not, then it comes our be. Writing is the continuous form of write. So here they will not be writing essays is a negative sentence in future continuous tense. Now how do we ask write an yes or no question in future continuous tense? So how shall we write that? Will or shall plus subject plus be plus verb first form plus ing. Okay, this is the formula of writing a yes or no question in future continuous tense. Like, will they be writing essays? Will is our, from will or shall we have used will. They is our subject. Be, okay, from here we have used be. Writing is a continuous form of write. Essays, will they be writing essays? Okay, again, will I be writing essays? From will or shall I have used will. I is our subject. Be, writing is the continuous form of write, then essays. With question words, how we'll write future continuous sentence? So this is also very easy. First we'll write the question word, then plus will or shall plus subject plus be plus verb first form plus ing. So first we will place the question word. For example, why. Why is our question word. Will, from will or shall we have used will. We is our subject. Be, okay, from formula be. Writing is our continuous form of write. Write plus ing is equals to writing. Why will we be writing essays? Okay, so this is an example of how to make a future continuous sentence with question words. So these are examples of continuous tense in all the three types of tenses, and how do we make different types of sentences with continuous tense. I hope you all are able to understand it clearly. Thank you. Have a nice day.